Thank you for speaking at today's event. It's very insightful. For the our social media audience, can you just highlight what your talk covered and why you thought it was important to bring it up today?
So, my speech was about an updated situation of our Hydra project that is focused on the realization of an open experimental platform to support the transition of the iron making and steel making industry towards the utilization of hydrogen and substitution of fossils for steel production. It is very important for RINA, for us, to attend those type of events because from one side we have the possibility to present the results of our works. So we are very close to the commissioning of our pilot facilities. So we'll be fully in operation in a really few months. But it is also important to hear from the audience, from the other presentation, which are the tendencies, which are the problems, which are the new aspects to be faced. And it is very important for RINA for us to match aspects, so to match our capabilities and facilities from which are the expectations from the market, from the producers, and it is very important to be open with the companies and to hear from them.
If one of the themes of our event today is decarbonisation, and I guess looking at the industry as a whole, how optimistic are you on decarbonisation's targets being set? Whether we'll be able to meet, for example, net zero in 2050. What's your thoughts on that? Are you optimistic, or do you think there's still a lot of work to be done, industry-wide?
First, we have to say that the process is not linear. In the sense that we have acceleration, we have a slowing situation, and then acceleration again. So it's not a linear process. It's not an easy process. We are optimistic in the sense that we know the technology, and we have the tool to overcome problems to be faced. An experimental platform like the one that RINA is realizing, like our project, is an example of a tool that can be used to support problems and other technological issues. We know from available studies that energy is a key factor, and fossil utilization will survive up to 2050. So we are optimistic, but we must be realistic. So how can we face this situation? We can face this situation with the application of several technologies. So in RINA, we say that we don't have, let's say, some preferences for technology. So we say that we must rely on the application of several technological solutions in order to overcome the different problems. So this is our strategy.
Great. Thank you for that.
It's been a pleasure.